Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your card on Shein account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do here is you need to open up any browser, go to Shein.com and log in into your account. Now once logged in, we need to access our profile. So at the top right of your screen, you should see a profile icon. So let's go ahead and hover over it, and from here choose the option that says My Profile. Now under My Profile, you need to look for the section that says My Assets under Personal Center, and under My Assets, click on the plus button here so that you'll be able to see other options. Now from here, go to My Wallet, and under My Wallet, you should be able to see your payment method or your card in this page here. Now in this case, look for an option that says Remove a trash can icon or anything that signifies for you to actually move that card. In this case, go ahead and click on that, and it's going to ask you to confirm if you really want to remove that. And from here on, just confirm and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.